Very good morning, children. Let's continue with our chapter money. So in the last classes we learnt about addition of money and subtraction of money. Now let's continue with the exercises. So you can open your textbook, page number 178. So let's start with fun with max. Let's read out the question. Here you can see, write the number of currency notes required to match the given amount of money. One has been done for you. So here in the left side you can see the amount, and in the right side you can see different combinations of rupees given. So we have to match the given amount of money. So let's see the first one, rupees 13, and see how it is matched. 13 means 10 plus 3. So we know that we have a 10 rupee coin or 10 rupee note, and the next 3 we have to take coins. You can either take 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 1 plus 1 to make 3. So here you can see under rupee 1, 1 is given. That means 1 rupee, 1 2 rupee and 1 10 rupee. So let's count how much it is. 1 rupee is 1 plus 1 2 rupee. That means 1 plus 2. That becomes 3. And again 1 10 rupee. So it becomes 13. So let's check the next one. The next we have 21 rupees. For getting 21, it is 20 plus 1. So we know that there is a 20 rupee note. So we'll take 1 20 rupee note. So here we'll write 1. Now we have to get 21. So if we take 1 rupee coin, it becomes 21. So 20 plus 1 is 21 rupees. The next one we have 33 rupees. So let's see how it forms. We'll take 1 rupee coin, 1 2 rupee coin. So it is 2 plus 1, 3. Now we have to get 33. So next we'll take 30. So 1 10 rupee note and 1 20 rupee note. So let's calculate it. 10 plus 20 becomes 30. 30 plus 2, 32, and 32 plus 1 is 33. Likewise, you can complete the rest of this. Next, let's move on to my project. So let's read what it is. Organize a short play in your class. Theme: supermarket scene with characters like a shopkeeper and customers, and items like stalls, articles and money. Make currency notes with paper and currency coins with circular cardboard. Enact a small play with all these characters and items involving money. So go through the activity and you can do it along with your siblings, parents or friends. Now let's move on to our next page. Max Lab activity. So here, prepare a price list. You can see the price of 1 kilo of each vegetable is mentioned here. So here, potato rupees 10, onion rupees 17, brinjal rupees 20, peas rupees 25, broccoli rupees 42, capsicum rupees 40 and carrot rupees 22. Now answer the following questions. Also fill in the food receipt given in the right hand corner. So we have to answer these questions. Let's look at the first question. Write the cost of 1 kilo of brinjal plus 1 kilo of carrot. So let's find out from this what is the price of 1 kilo of brinjal and what is the price of 1 kilo of carrot. So look at this. Brinjal costs rupees 20 and carrot costs rupees 22. So let's write here 1 kilo of brinjal is rupees 20. So let's write it here. Rupees 20 plus carrot costs rupees 22. So we have to calculate 20 plus 22. So calculate, find it out and write the answer over here. Let's look at the question B. 1 kilo of potato plus 1 kilo of peas. So 1 kilo of potato costs rupees 10 and 1 kilo of peas costs rupees 25. So we need to add it together. 1 kilo of potato right here, rupees 10 plus peas cost rupees 25. So add 10 plus 25, find out and write it here. The next question, second one, which amongst the given is the costliest vegetable? So here which one is the costliest. So find it out and write it. Third one, which amongst the given is the cheapest vegetable? So here, which is the cheapest one? Find it out and write it here in the third one. Fourth one, which vegetable costs rupees 17 for 1 kilo? So which vegetable costs here 17 rupees? It is onion. So write it onion. Here we can write onion. Fifth one, if you buy 1 kilo each of all the items and give the shopkeeper a rupees 500 note, how much will he return? So what we have to do here, if you buy 1 kilo each of all the items, if you are going to buy all these vegetables 1 kilo each, how much will it cost? And if you are giving 500 rupee note to the shopkeeper, how much will he return? So for doing that, first we have to add all this price of vegetables. So let's write potato. So potato is rupees 10. Next, onion is rupees 17. Brinjal costs rupees 20. Peas 25. Broccoli 42. Capsicum 40. And carrot 22. Now we have to add all this. So let's start from the ones place. Here first we have 0 plus 7. So 0 plus 7 is 7. With that 7 we have to add the next number 7 plus 0, 7 itself. Then next number, here we got 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 2, 16. So we got 16. So what we have to do? Write 6 here and carry over the 1 to the next place, that is the tens place. Now we will add all the numbers here in the tens place. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 4 is equal to 15, 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. So the total cost of all these vegetables is 176. So if you buy all these vegetables 1 kilo each, it costs rupees 176. Now we are giving the shopkeeper rupees 500. How much money he has to return? That is what we have to find out the next step. So for doing that, we'll subtract 500 minus 176. So first in the ones place we have 0 minus 6. So we can't subtract 6 from 0. We'll move on to the tens place. In the tens place again you can see a 0 here. So are you able to borrow? No. So what we have to do? We'll move on to the hundreds place. In the hundreds place we have 5. So let's write 4 here and 10 here. Again in the ones place we have 0 minus 6. So we are not able to borrow. But in the tens place we have 10. So we'll borrow it from there. Now this 10 becomes 9 and here in the ones place it becomes 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So the shopkeeper has to return you 324 rupees. Let's move on to our revision station, page number 180. So turn your page to 180. First we have add. So we have to add the following. Question A, 114 plus 213. So let's add 114 plus 213. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Here in the tens place we have 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. In the hundreds place we have 1 plus 2 is 3. So we get the answer 327. Similarly, complete those exercises. Next we have subtract. In subtraction, first question A, we have 34 minus 12. Here both are 2-digit numbers. So let's add 4. Let's subtract 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. and 3 minus 1 is 2. So we get the answer 22. Similarly, you can complete these exercises also. Next, write in words. First one, 55 rupees, 55 paise. So we have to write this in words. So how will we write it? 55. 55 rupees, and you can see after dot it is again 55, so that means 55 paise. So again 55 paise. Next you have 76 rupees 75 paise, 118 rupees. Here you can see after the dot it is 0, 0. So that means it is 118 rupees. There is no paise. Question D. Here we have 264 rupees 50 paise. So similarly here you can write it. Next we'll move on to a fourth question. Write in figures. First one, 76 rupees 50 paise. So we have to write it in figures. First it is 76 rupees. So rupees 76 dot 50 paise. So 50. 76.50. Question B, 115 rupees 33 paise. So we'll write it 115 rupees point or dot 33 paise. So the rest also you can complete. Next, moving on to a fifth question. So here Sunny bought a pair of floaters and a pair of socks. And pair of floaters cost rupees 775 and socks cost him 64. So what we have to find out? How much money did he spend? So we have to find out the total money he spent. So here we have to do addition. We have to add 775 plus 64. So 775 plus 64. You can add, find out how much money did he spend. The next one, sixth, Annie gave rupees 450 to a shopkeeper to purchase a grocery item. He returned rupees 220 to her. How much money did the shopkeeper keep? So here Annie gave the shopkeeper rupees 450 when she purchased grocery items, and the shopkeeper returned her 220 rupees. So Annie gave the shopkeeper 450 rupees and the shopkeeper returned her 220 rupees. We have to find out how much money did the shopkeeper keep. So here we have to subtract 450 minus 220. So 450 minus 220. So this you can find out and find how much money did the shopkeeper keep. With this we finish our chapter Money. Hope you understood what was taught in this chapter. We'll be meeting in the next class. Till then, thank you.